Yeah, set 4. First question. Direction of electric dipole moment is. We know that in dipole moment, a dipole consists of positive and equal negative charge separated by a small distance. And the dipole moment is always directed from negative to positive charge, P. It is from negative to positive charge. Which one of the following is not, is the unit of capacitance? It is farad. Capacitance is farad, coulomb for charge, voltage, volt, Tesla, magnetic field. So farad. Statement 1. A wire of resistivity rho is and resistance R and length L is cut into 4 equal parts. Resistivity of each piece will be 1/4 of the original value. Wrong, because resistivity is independent of length. Only resistance is directly proportional to length. Resistance becomes 1/4, not resistivity. Resistivity of a material is inversely proportional to length. No, only resistance is directly proportional to length. So both are wrong. Both statements 1 and 2 are false. Yes. Force on a charged particle moving in a magnetic field is maximum when magnetic field angle between velocity of charged particle and magnetic field is F is equal to Q into V cross B. That is the formula, VB sine theta. So if you want to write the magnitude, then F is equal to Q VB sine theta. And you know that cross product is maximum when theta is 90, sine 90 is 1, 90 degrees. Identify the wrong statement, okay, with respect to magnetic field lines. They form closed loops, yes, correct. Tangent drawn to the magnetic field lines at any point gives the direction of magnetic field at that point, correct. They can intersect each other. No, they never intersect. Outside a magnet, they are directed from north pole to south pole. That is correct. So you are asked to select the wrong statement, option C. They can intersect each other is wrong. 6. The law which gives the polarity of induced EMF in an electromagnetic induction is Lenz's law. It gives the polarity. And the law of conservation of energy also, Lenz's law. Okay, the principle behind the working of AC generator is electromagnetic induction. When a coil turns, the flux linked with the coil changes, thereby inducing an EMF. The quantity that remains the same at the secondary voltage compared to the primary voltage of a transformer. So in a transformer, the input is, if you have a transformer like this, primary and secondary coil, there is an increase in the input, increase in the output voltage, step-up transformer, AC voltage, and if there is maybe decrease in the output voltage, step-down transformer. So peak value, RMS value, all those, suppose it's a step-up transformer, secondary voltage is greater than the primary voltage. That in terms of peak value, RMS value both. So the RMS value at the secondary will be greater than the RMS value at the primary. And also the peak value at the primary is less and the peak value of the secondary is more if it is a step-up transformer. Both will be changed, as well as current. Current will be in the reverse way. Step-up transformer will have lesser current at the secondary. Of course, it is changed, but only frequency remains same. The number of cycles at the input, number of cycles at the output, even though the amplitude decreases, frequency doesn't change. Frequency of the input and frequency, number of cycles per second at the input, number of cycles per second at the output are same. Frequency is not changed in a transformer. Displacement current arises due to timely varying electric field. In the case of total internal reflection, light ray must be traveling from denser to rarer medium. Light ray must travel from denser to, yes, this is correct. Angle of incidence must be less than critical angle. No, it should be greater than critical angle. Angle of refraction is 0 degrees. No, it is 90 degrees when the angle of incidence is critical angle. This is wrong. Option B is the correct one. The phenomena of bending of light at the corners of edges of an obstacle is called diffraction. Yeah. De Broglie wavelength is, lambda is equal to h by p, h by mv. It is inversely proportional to velocity or momentum mass. Inversely proportional to velocity, option B. According to Rutherford's model, the centripetal force for the electron revolving around the nucleus in circular orbit is given by Centripetal force is given by electrostatic force of attraction. When the electron revolves around a nucleus, there is a force of attraction between positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electron. That is electrostatic force. Nuclear force is force within the nucleons. That is protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. They provide nuclear force between them. Among the following, which set of nuclei are isotopes? Same atomic number, different mass number. Same atomic number, different mass number. See, here different atomic number. These are isobars. Isobars, same mass number, different atomic number. Isobars. Okay. Match the following. Forward biased PN junction. Drift current is equal to, no, current is majority carriers. Yes, during forward bias, current is mainly due to majority carriers. During reverse bias, it is minority carriers. So here is B. Reverse bias PN junction, width of the depletion region increases. During forward bias, width of the depletion region decreases. C. And unbiased PN junction, drift current is equal to diffusion current, because when they balance, the net current flow stops in the junction. That is in unbiased junction. BCA. Where is BCA? It is B. Yes. Yeah, fill in the blanks. Force between 2 point charges in vacuum is given by Coulomb's law, Coulomb's inverse square law. And the magnetic susceptibility of a dash substance is independent of temperature, that is diamagnetic. At resonance of a series RLC circuit, magnitude of voltage across the inductor is dash the voltage across the capacitor equal to, yes, equal to, they are equal at resonance. A linear source of light at finite distance emits linear source, it is cylindrical wavefront. Yes. Photoelectrons will have kinetic energy only when the frequency of incident light is greater than, because at the resonance frequency, at the threshold frequency, kinetic energy of the electrons will be 0, because electrons will be just coming out. When the frequency is greater than threshold frequency, the kinetic energy of the electrons starts. They start moving, so it is greater. Yes. I think greater than, we have finished, equal to finished, cylindrical finished, Coulomb's law finished, diamagnetic finished. This is not used. Yes. Thank you.